Number 3. The sounds of language. I take it you already know of do, bow, and cough, and doff. Others may stumble, but not you, on hiccup, thorough, laugh, and throw. Well done, and now you wish, perhaps, to learn of less familiar traps. Beware of hard, a dreadful word that looks like beard and sounds like bird, and dead. It's said like bad, not bad. For goodness sake, don't call it dead. I watch out for meet and greet and thread. They rhyme with sweet and straight and depth. DSW quoted in Marquet 1970. Imagine the manager of a small restaurant, a man who has always had trouble with the spelling of unusual words, writing out a sign which he puts in the front window advertising that they have a new SIG. You see the sign and you decide to ask what kind of new thing this is. When you hear the pronunciation, you recognize the word usually written as chef. How did he arrive at that other spelling? Well, it's very simple. He says, take the first sound of the word sure, the middle sound of the word did, and the final sound of the word love. Isn't that sheer? The tale, however unlikely, may serve as a reminder that the sounds of spoken English do not match up a lot of the time with the letter of written English. If we cannot use the letters of the alphabet in a consistent way to represent the sounds we make, how do we go about describing the sounds of a language like English? One solution is to produce a separate alphabet with symbols that represent sounds. Such a set of symbols does exist and is called the phonetic alphabet. In this chapter, we will look at how the symbols are used to represent both the consonant and vowel sounds of English words and what physical aspects of human vocal tracts are involved in the production of those sounds.